is I'm still in the process of removing this. Broke right here, and broke right there. Another one right there. That is 3. That is 4. Being really, really gentle. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one has failed. I'm gonna try this one. Being really, really gentle. But no matter how gentle you are, these shingles aren't unrepairable. I'm going to stop. This has been a failed attempt at repair. I'm stopping on the shingles, and I'm gonna try on the ridge so you guys can see that this is unrepairable. Even if I try and take it off really slow, it gets damaged.